All right, guys, so we talked about DPAs or dynamic product ads, which is kind of a cool way to retarget anybody who visits any of your specific products cart pages. And the way that we're going to do this, guys, is using an app called Facebook Product Feed by Flexify. It's completely free. Just go to the Shopify App Store and go and download Facebook Product Feed by Flexify. So once we actually download this, we're going to click in here, and it's super easy to set this up, guys. So we're just going to choose one of our collections. You can also do all products if you want your dynamic product ads to actually trigger for all of your products, right? So we're going to choose best sellers here, and we're going to press save. And these are already the collections that I have set up on my store. So I'm just going to press best sellers, and we're going to click save here. And now we're just going to copy this little link, right? This is our feed, our Facebook product feed, facebook.rss. And then inside of Facebook, we're going to come in here where it says catalogs, and we're going to go to create catalog, e-commerce, next. If you do have a business profile, you want to choose personal for this one, and we're going to call this best sellers, create, and we're going to go to view catalog. So once we go to view catalog, well, we have to do two things. First, we have to add the products. Right, and we're going to use data feeds here, and we're going to do set a schedule, and then we just paste in that feed that we copied from right here into our data feed URL, right? And then we're going to go to start upload. So once this uploads, guys, it's basically going to import all of the products that are in that particular collection we chose, or if we chose all products, it's going to import all of the products kind of into Facebook's collections that we can then use to actually create dynamic product ads. So we're going to go to done here. And then the last thing that we have to do is connect an event source. And what I mean by connect an event source, guys, is you have to actually choose which pixel, or excuse me, you have to choose your pixel that is on your Shopify site. So, most people only have one pixel, so just choose the pixel that's on your Shopify site, click save, okay. And then the last thing we have to do, guys, is actually to create a catalog sales campaign. So we're gonna click create ad here. We're gonna call this one DPA's best seller. Catalog sales is the objective. It'll default to the catalog we just made, and we'll call this one DPA. Save the draft, and then this will open up the editor for us. All right, and so here we go. We're gonna change this down to 1 because this is obviously just a test here. So use information from your pixel or app to create a retargeting audience, right? So what we're going to do, guys, is we are going to promote products from all products to people who viewed or added those products to the basket in the last 14 days. But there's other things we can do, right? We can choose added to basket but not purchased. We can choose upsell products like I talked about before, right? If we wanted to, for example, sell, let's say that somebody bought a camera from our Shopify store, but we want, for everyone who bought that camera, we wanted to show ads dynamically for a camera case, right? We can do that with upsells. We can do that with cross sells, right? Promote all products to people who purchased from the product set below. Promote all products to people who viewed the product set below, right? So all different types of things plus custom combinations. But for most people, guys, just leaving it on viewed or added to basket but not purchased in the last 14 days is very, very powerful. And I like to do, even like between 1 and 7 days, just so it's like a little bit more recent. So basically what this means, guys, is anyone who viewed any product in either a collection or all of your products, viewed or added to the basket but not purchased, right? So they were about to buy, they thought about it, but they haven't yet. Facebook will automatically show the exact product that they were looking at in their basket or viewed but didn't buy to them as a Facebook ad, guys. And so that is how you set up a dynamic product ads. That's how you import a catalog onto Facebook from Shopify. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one. I know this isn't a Shopify course, but I just wanted to try to add as much value as I possibly can to everyone who's watching this course, because I know that there are just some Shopify owners out there, some Amazon owners out there, right? And so I just want to add as much value as I can from every perspective I can to all of you beautiful ninjas. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one, and let's get to the next.